from Banjarmasin to Jakarta. Super Airjet from Banda Aceh to Jakarta International Airport. Super Airjet. From Palangkaraya to Jakarta International Airport. Citylink from Jambi to Jakarta International Airport. This Super Airjet from Pontianak to Jakarta International Airport. Batik Air from Makassar to Jakarta International Airport. Transnusa from Singapore to Jakarta International Airport. Okay, bye guys, this is the last, and bye bye, see you on next month, because this is the request of Elto, and this is I have to work, I have to go to school. Bye.